Alright, gonna try something different here. I'm gonna take my eye mod, the eyeball from ICU. I'm gonna drag my material, my model, and my texture into the dummy folder. Now I'm gonna load dummy and Bing, no, Blender. I was thinking of Bing. I was looking for pictures. It binged on my mind. So I'll import in dummy and let's see, where did I put it? Maybe he's on the desktop. I have to move that folder, move that folder into my it's not the right one. Where's that folder? Unpacked. Okay. Just have to import him in. Clean my desktop. A damn mess. Dummy vehicles, dummy DAE. I'll load the eye also. So I import both of these in. Now, where's my eye? Maybe it won't let me import them both at the same time. Alright. Import Collida eye. Alright, so this is the eyeball, which is animated. All I'm going to do is attach it to him. Now you have to do this. You have to do it in a way that you don't mess up the UVs for the other map. I'll show you how to do that. Just straighten this up. I'll probably put 2 of them on it, one for each eye. I think it'll look pretty funny. Hope Crash Hard doesn't get irritated. Hey, this is not going to fit perfect. It's not going to fit at all. I'm just going to have to more or less move this so it is kind of floating above the skin or whatever, plastic, whatever the dummy is. It's kind of, like it's a pair of glasses. Now it's got like a fade on it, so it'll kind of blend in a little. And I'm not sure because he's written with a material CS and I just added my material to it, to the folder. I'm gonna I'm not exactly sure how that's gonna work. It's kind of experimental. So this is what we'll have. The eyes will look, let me rotate that a little more. Alright, and feel free to use these eyes on whatever, anything, I don't care. Don't matter to me. Alright, now we're just gonna combine the 2 eyes. Join. Now we gotta join that to the mod dummy head. So let's see, which one is it I do first, the eyes or the head, then join. But first I got to use the UVs for the dummy, which the UVs are here. And I'm just going to double click these and copy. And then the eyes, I'm going to give them the same name. That way they don't screw up textures when they join together, or it'll screw them up. And join the head. Which one I do first? One merges into the other. We'll use the same name. That's the right way. I'll just re-export him. Let me get the light and the camera out of here, because then don't need to go. And then export, overwrite the file in the mod folder of dummy with the new dummy. Now I should be able to just load him in, but I gotta put the unpack folder. I gotta put dummy in the unpack folder in my regular mod folder here. Now he should load because I included my texture file, which is here, that does the animation for the eyes. It should, all that should work right. I'm gonna load him in grid map and see, spawn him in there and see if he loads in right with the eyes. May have red eyes that say no material. I have to fix a couple things. I don't know yet. Let's see. Alright, dummy. Yep, it worked. Now I'm not sharing Crash Hard's mod. It's not my mod. I'm just showing you how you could do this if you wanted to. But I did share my eyes already in another video called I See You. It's pretty cool, I think. You get to do, I mean, this was just 4 frames of animation, but the engine's capable. Like, if you load the editor, load the material editor. Damn, tongue-tied. You can go to animate. The engine's capable of up to 30 frames a second, but you can adjust this. Don't mess with the frames though, or you'll throw the it won't work. I can tell you that. It took a while to figure out, because each one's different, the frames, to make it do correctly. But yeah, you can adjust that if you wanted to. When you see how the texture's done, the trick to making this work isn't it? Well, it is the texture, but it's the UVs for that material. Like this object, which I done combined it. Let me re-import it. Well, I don't have to do that. I can just go to edit mode and pick the eye, pick the face for the eye, and show you the UVs. What makes this work is the UVs is exactly positioned over a frame. Now all that numbering stuff, that takes time. That's like a mini game trying to figure out the combination. I'll mess it up on purpose to show you what it does if it's not exactly right. And you think, oh, that can't be too hard to get right. Yeah, it is. It'll start drifting. It took a damn while. It took a while to say whatever I figured out it to be. It involves going like 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. You know, you gotta go through each. Hold on a minute. You gotta go through each one. 0.1. Okay, it's going that way. 0.2. It's still going that way. Wait a minute. 0.1. 0.2. 0.3. 0.4. 0.5. Okay, so that's kind of getting, well, actually 0.5 seems to, that's not right either, because it's skipping. So then say 0.2. Okay, we're getting close. 0.3. Nope, going the wrong way. So it's got to be in between 2 and 3. So it's 0.21, 0.22, 0.123, 0.124, 0.12, and then you finally find the one that is correct. That's a pain in the butt, but that's how you do it.